I'm Er Ling, and my Monash journey started at Sunway College, where I did Muffy. I then went on to do a Bachelor of International Business, and now I'm doing a Master of Business at Monash University. I chose Sunway because they offered solid pathways to Monash University, which mattered a lot to me because I knew early on that was where I wanted to go. A piece of advice that I would give to Sunway College students is to just get involved really and to meet as many people as you can, whether that's joining student council like I did or just engaging more in class discussions, because at Sunway I got to meet people who were also coming to Australia and that I got to build a support system before I even landed in Melbourne. I think the thing that I love most about Melbourne is just that I never get bored here. As someone who loves the arts, I can spend my afternoons at the markets or at a library and at night at a jazz bar or at a poetry reading, and there's always something to do. I chose Monash because of how collaborative the learning environment here is, especially with how classes are treated as spaces where everyone builds on each other's ideas. The pathway prepared me in a lot of ways, but what I appreciated the most was how much emphasis they placed on academic fundamentals like referencing and formatting, which had become second nature by the time I got to Monash. Being part of both Sunway College and Monash University feels like two halves of a really formative journey. Sunway College has given me the foundation and confidence to take that leap overseas, while Monash has given me the space to become who I am today.